Hello, and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. Today on how to quickly send a document for a customer's signature right from eWay-CRM. You know, orders, contracts, acceptance protocols, these are the documents that require the signatures of both parties. In today's electronic age, it becomes useless to send printed documents for a signature in envelopes. We at eWay-CRM try to simplify things. Our tool contains modules for managing customers, sales, projects, and marketing activities. eWay-CRM keeps track of communication with clients, reminds important deadlines, and includes templates of the most common document types that can be exported to Word or PDF. And this function will be extremely handy today. In this video, we will use integration with Adobe Sign to get the signature easily. Our steps can be easily applied to DocuSign or others that have plugins for Word. Let's dive in. In order to send any document for a signature, we first need to install the necessary add-on in Word. Open any Word document, click Insert, and Get Add-ons. Search for Adobe Acrobat Sign add-on and click Add. The add-on will now appear as active in your Word. After clicking on one of the options, you will need to log in to Adobe or create an account. You can now generate a prepared document template directly from eWay-CRM. Right-click on that file that you want to send for signature. From the menu, select Export to Word and select, for example, Completion Certificate. After opening the document, select File, then Save As, and select Word document in the docx format. And finally save. In the right corner of the document, click on Send for Signature and enter the recipient's email address in the Recipient section. Then confirm with the Continue button. In the new open window, you will need to click on Signature and drag and drop this selection with your mouse. You will then confirm via the Send button. The recipient, without having to be registered anywhere, receives a message with a document to be signed. Your client opens the document and selects the form of signature and confirms. An email will then be sent to your inbox with a document already signed. Just click on the email and select Save Attachments to eWay-CRM. You can open the card of the given document directly in eWay-CRM. As a final step, you'll need to select the appropriate project. Click on Superior Item and select the project. In the project card, you will see the attached and signed document from the client in the Documents tab. And that's it for today. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, give it a like on YouTube. If you want to learn more, visit our blog or social networks. You can also email us at info@eWay-CRM.com. We'll be happy to reply. So, have a great day and remember, be effective with eWay-CRM.